Hey my loves, it's been I'm so glad to be back here. See your wonderful faces. So today we're going to be making fermented pineapple, aka Tepache. I'm currently on a gut healing process. Fermented pineapple is very rich in probiotics and it's a cheaper and a safer option for probiotics. So this is my first time trying it and we're going to be doing all of that together. If you're stopping by my channel for the first time, please support this upcoming YouTuber and be part of this channel success story. Do want to subscribe, leave a comment, engage on this post as to encourage me to make more videos. Without no further ado, let's hop. Hey my loves, we are making our fermented pineapple. Do you know that the botanical name of pineapple is Ananas commusus? I personally love pineapple so much. Aside from the fact that it is so sweet, it also aids the body with vitamin C. It boosts immune, helps to reduce inflammation, aids digestion. It's also an antioxidant, and actually pineapple is so pretty, like so beautiful. I hear it's not safe for pregnant women as there are claims that it could induce early labor, but this girl, I'm pregnant, no breastfeeding, so I can drink whatever I want. The feeling of not being pregnant, not being breastfeeding is such a sweet feeling. Like, I only know that it is sweet now that I am no longer in any of those phases and I'm enjoying this little bit of freedom. I stand here. I've been here. Anyways, guys, this fermented pineapple exceeded my expectations. I was expecting something really different, but the turnout was super good. This was on the day 4. Can you hear that? This is tiny sound it's making. Today is day 4, and it's making this sound. That's good, right? So I was opening it up right now, and my big mind told me to go ahead and taste this thing with no expectations whatsoever. Wish me luck. It's not bad. It's giving wine. I like it. It's so good. So it's good to take risk. Whatever your mind asks you to do, go for it. And this was the day 5 and I was tasting it. It was so flavorful. It was so good. And I'll definitely be trying it again. Stay blessed, stay focused. Don't forget to commit everything that you are doing to God, and He will prosper your path. God bless you. Did you enjoy watching this video? Do well to like, subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see more of you in my channel. I love you.